Alrighty guys, we're out filming another forward driving episode. Just myself and Brandon out here today. Just at some local tracks, about 10 minutes around the corner from Brandon's place. Gonna hopefully test out the twin lockers, see how they go. Front and rear locker for this one, or? Yeah. Land Cruiser or boat? So I'm going around this. I would drive it, but I've got that many holes in the bottom of the cab that aren't plugged up anymore from going through water crossings. It just blows them out, and yeah, I don't really feel like ripping the interior of the car out today and cleaning it, so give it a miss. Leave it for the twin lock cruiser. We've sort of come to like a little lookout area, and man, there's tracks in every single direction. Like, it's insane. I don't know if you can see them behind me in the hills, and yeah, it's sort of turning out to the right as it's coming to the street. So left, straight, hold it straight for a sec. Fucking, that thing just started rolling. Fucking hell. What a log in front of the wheels. Oh my god. The ground is like jelly. Classic Toyota. I can't believe that, eh? I hate seeing stuff like this out in popular forward driving places. Young fellas bloody holding Astra out here, sending it up the hill climbs. Yeah, that's awesome, eh? Like, the boys look like they're having so much fun. Good on them. As long as it's not a stolen car, it's theirs. Go for it, eh? Alright, we're back out here Sunday. Going to go for a little bit of an explore over the other side of the tracks today. Hopefully find some good ones and test out the lockers again. Hopefully no more squeaky noises from all the mud, but we'll see how we go. Alright, so we found this little track. Doesn't really go anywhere, but looks cool, so let's give it a crack.
Can't really see it, but it's quite big. Another gnarly little downhill climb. Yeah, the big rig.
Would you look at that? Got too excited and forgot to put my fucking door back down on the canopy. Fuck. You're kidding me. No. Fuck. Yeah, well, you live and you learn. It's closed at least, but yeah. Fucking won't be leaving that open again. Back up here. me taking my toolbox lid off and bloody go home, wash the cars now, and yeah. So something's making some funny noises under the front end of the Land Cruiser, pulling the tyres off. We're going to pull the guard on the back of the brakes off. Whatever's making these noises is stuck behind this from going through that water. There you go. Ooh. Doesn't sound too good, especially going, 60 to 80k. Not pretty. I can see a rock from here, eh?
It's just a rock, you reckon?
Yeah, there's a rock.
Okay, so
Right here. There we go. That's the little fucker making all the noise. Brand new. Jack the other side up, see what it's like.
what would you guys prefer? A Nissan Patrol Turbo or an NA Land Cruiser?
Turbo and intercooled, guys, don't forget.
Yeah, and intercooled, or an NA Land Cruiser, twin lock.
TD42 life, come on boys. Let us know what you prefer.
But imagine this at 80 k's.
Screaming at you.
It's like there's a little gremlin under the car that's meant to stop stuff like this happening, but
Not today.
so it's the first time it's ever happened, ever.
This is what happens when you go in mud. You get shit in places where it shouldn't be.
Yeah, I try to avoid mud because the cleanup and all this shit happens afterwards. Aircon starts squeaking, belt starts squeaking.
Need a new starter motor and alternator half the time if you're unlucky as well.
Fun.
But you learn the hard way.
It's fun while you're in it.
This is a lazy way to get it out.
Oh yeah, don't do this.
There she is.
Oh.
That's a big one. I don't know how that gets in there, eh?
Brand new.
Getting totally nice and clean.